are the same things I came here to say. Look, it's not worth it. But then again, you can't blame them. Attack na nkasano nia o lead no na say no buy.
Kevin Obi.
Oni wa ni oba be lead no on kwade wa mbobi. On the second round they are not joining here. So it's been difficult blending them in with game time and goals. But I mean, it was such an enjoyable game. I've had messages about fans of freedom, Abaya, Obianyo, Obushi, and all that. We thank everybody. It was a peaceful game. Anytime they come back to them, I will give them a peaceful game. They are only pleading that they shouldn't lie.
The
lies are becoming too much. But it's not something. Last time I bought man, me and Madame for you, they be seen them in team function.
What am I?
Or medical team. Me now so man say me got told local set them bro. Then I went to buy the local set. Me Pia Bontino got told local set nearby. So me also my men na basa I see you, I don't know, but when you come back and you are talking about it here, you finger me.
Finger
say I na basa because na now ujina ona wa anyehwe. Oh, look, be seen them in function. It's a deliberate lie. Or should I hear when him? This is not the enemy now. No. Forgive. It's forget. It's forget. Good. But on a more serious note, Zez's goal was a very good goal to concede. Yeah. You get the point. What video need be my soon at the Sam to phone.
Soon at the Sam to.
Kobe Chan after a ball, and then he lost the balance. Say dryer. Nkonko. Oh, they are him. Don't undermine the goal. We are not undermining it. But Uncle the neighbor fabon. So if you China neighbor.
Yeah.
And then he also checked back for him. He was done because
Sports.
the pitch wouldn't.
My mama suffocate to Amrama na omonye korabu ni mama. Suffocate
no.
I don't suffocate to. Suffocate to jina. Tacha you mani nya adwuma na le ko. Aduala de on the one back.
I don't even sure ara.
Now baby on no. No, but you see, didn't I say Adriana Bejili?
Yeah.
And check the last 2 games they will play. They have an advantage over everybody.
Ball is your trema na
And you see, Omo de Adriana Chino. Adriana can afford to lose 1 league game and still win the league.
Sa. Bio, madam suffocate to am fan. Suffocate to.
Ojam.
Fire here. Send it here.
Yeah, Adriana Stars ankasa this season. In the league, Oshe omo points per game, omo an excellent form, omo average 1.78 points per single game bi ombetimi abo. Na Oshe goals dodo na omo ntanshe. Quite average. Adriana average 1 goal per 90 minutes bi obetimi abo bia. Then no about goals conceded. I think Adriana Stars are one of the best defensive teams in the league. Mo check mo an excellent form when it comes to goals conceded. Mo average 0.63 goals conceded per each game. That means only mo ba den pass over to the ball at all Martinem. Na ohwe Adriana Stars ankasa e wo fie any away no. Home form no ma 13 games, o ma win 8, o ma draw 5, and o mo lose ba kokra. O ma 16 goals, a concede 6.
E wo fie. O mo plus 10. That means Keba Fiankasa record in terms of keeping clean sheet in this omun consider a community became the bang. But omo problem near say omu share more goals. They say they became United mu share more goals of you know. They know about away form. Adriana Stars about 14 away games. We win 5. We draw 4 and lose 5. Wow. That means Adriana Stars ankasa no enye fie no nko an omo tena omo mo de bo so ani. Omo kwa away ni so ana form no so ye dey. Eye. Then why you goals or match 11 goals, I consider 11 goals. That means 0. Only negative figure be when it comes to 8 goals away. Good record for them. Now, near about Adriana Stars in terms of next fixture so betting yabo. Now you draw the conclusion. Say be ya say ain't me ye ya more praise on betting league no. Adriana Stars home form ye away form ye. It will be less 7 games on betting yabo league near to be there now. Omedi can't go home the tia baby any go Stars. But being Gold Stars, associate bad travelers when it comes to the league. Recently, omo form no campus also form kakra at the moment. Adriana Stars playing at home. They stand a very good chance.
Gold Stars bad league no.
and show more that Adriana and show more.
And this time around, form counts, and sometimes these things happen. And Adriana Stars wanting to win the league. I don't see how baby any good stars beat Makwa Adriana Stars.
This time you'll be sure.
And per them, Adriana Stars born no more. A very difficult to Odoma. If Adriana should maintain that particular standard, it will be very difficult for good stars to do something against them. And they almost never feel lose to the Chelsea in the 90th minute. It's Adriana Stars. Then you move on to away to Kotoku Royals. Kotoku Royals, Adriana Stars form near a very good way. This is a game I tip Adriana Stars to even get a draw. Then what I share Adriana Stars and Karela Ufi. Another tough game for Adriana Stars. Karela, baby, or more than quite shaky kakra. Omo Tomo said the Unis of Moatomo. They will need to actually pull out something and make sure. It's Adriana Stars better, but Adriana Stars at home. Abu, count it, said Adriana Stars beat Massa pick 3 points with that particular Karela game. Then away to Accra Lions. That is another game very tough. Accra Lions will fear Abu Dhabi, Omo Boy, and especially with Accra Sports Stadium, they will dominate. They will create a lot of chances and they will make sure at the end of the day, Mama and watch your part. This is one particular game. We want to say Adriana Stars best crab draw against Accra Lions. Then you move on to against Dreams. Adriana Stars able Dreams of here. I tip Adriana Stars to win that particular game at home. Then in Swatrimani Adriana Stars. Ewa way. That is one particular game I made you to me pass. Adriana Stars are customized to the land. No, only Massa so born. Omo Bruno enclave no onim said you no omo betime really it more or less like a home game away from home and Adriana Stars body ate yin so atremai and me to me said this is one particular game Adriana Stars betime akwa far away o so among the away games na mabobodi ni wo hani na no game back am me fully convinced Adriana Stars betime pick 3 points against so atremai
obakọ akoshin so atremai
obakoshin so
atremai omo baby omo dane nye o
baby omo dane nye ba asase Adriana Stars nim so pa Onim sopa. I feel so we are strong. But mummy no mo ta ehia omo ana se blue teams le ta ehia omo a ahoden no ana type. I to say Abu Dhabi ye bo wa foot tournament a hwega na ne Burkina Faso mu hia hwede esititie. Omo ni mo pa. Then Adriana Stars bebo Bechem United as in the last game e ofie. And game we betima cracker if Bechem United etimi maintain the form no ekosi awiye na akabia be 2 or 3 points na the omo ne Adriana Stars in term before this game. And ebe yire pa.
Adriana ni Bechem.
Adriana ni Bechem no.
Adriana Peliga agia.
Adriana Peliga agia Bechem su Peliga agia. Ebe yire pa.
That week na Apostle Suma me do ma. That week na Suma me do ma.
Abu Adriana Stars home e were 4 home games but out of the 4 home games me gi 2 years Adriana Stars anya de kra de Abu Adriana Stars be pick 10 points. I won the 4 home games no be out of 7 games no be no.
Oh okay.
Away ne there me gi 2 years pass Adriana Stars. Aya de watimi pick points e wa hanom e be 4 1 e Kotoku 3 against Isu Atremai. Baby ejina no. Adriana Stars chances of winning the league there. Abu I'll still put them on top.
Still.
Yes, due to their away form. And your man who de omugina fi omodebo then Kumasi Asante Kotoko
over no so baby your minim so be can after you know
you see
now me abo mesa baba je Kotoko dey na apostle abom na okucha banana family college
problem for the other teams that there are times I won't say do you not drop points pa some come punish them but they are unable to punish them now say omu really call games say do you not be ball ofie na there are 2 of them revenge games. So I come here the two small so mon first screen in my Adriana didn't complain after Karela, do you know why?
Yeah, I don't.
Did this Karela about Beshop no matter what.
I think no man can. Go or man oh, okay.
Nobody would even they will go after them like pay from start to finish. But maybe a league some of you must start seeing. And I got a in term. But Mediama Diomuhu. He who plays Chelsea plays Adriana Nest.
Obo Chelsea.
Obo Brekum Chelsea we are.
On Adriana Nebo.
And it offers them opportunity. And as on who team no Brekum. And as on friend and Aquamia Bizan say still on what to say. It's been something that you Kotokobo no born and run. one of the reasons why I'm with me boss abon here because omunya acquire radio na wa brankese.
Oh, okay.
Kwakubo no ohwe TV so different from say Ote Park no so. And Gazali ni na assistant ni nyina no no moteo to try and find a way to stop Adriana midfielders from playing to the wings. And it's something
na oyo Kumasi Asante Kotoko din a omo form no good is not as excellent to say Adriana Stars mo de na edi kan bobo so de bae no na omo average 1.48 points per 90 minutes and Kumasi Asante Kotoko ade ba ko mo ya ade wo ho pa no abudia bi omo goal scored Kumasi Asante Kotoko average 1.26 goals scored per every single 90 minutes bi omo betime si akan then omo very average when it comes to how omo city defend three omo concede a lot three bi so na switch no ma say defend so well into 2cc iti Kotoko average 0.93 goals conceded per every single 90 minutes on be find omo self e dey akwakobo na no na abudia bi e be wura mu to Kumasi Asante Kotoko omo home form ni omo away form efie no Kotoko about 13 matches omo win 7 omo draw 5 lose 1 na Miss Kumasi Asante Kotoko home form no eye de ba sheda anye bebre sa o head draws ne wins no manya ne loss no manya na but omo she goals to do na omo she 24 goals omo concede 10 that means omo plus 40 so if you are looking for a team who closer to Anase Kumasi Asante Kotoko ne boss when it comes to goal scored with fear oni Bechem United and a league ni no I mean say obo mu fie pa omo ka so omo shewa omo be show pa then they concede quite a few omo plus 14 omo average 2 points per every single game bi obetima abon Baba Sports Stadium enye bad sir but how away na Kumasi Asante Kotoko about 14 away matches omo win 3 per omo draw 5 and omo lose 6 Kumasi Asante Kotoko akonsi ashe 10 goals wa we concede 15 omo minus 5 omo average 1 point per every single away game
away ni
which means Kumasi Asante Kotoko away form no ewo form yipa but obi be catch us could this be a turnaround for Kotoko when it comes to omo next fixtures so betimi abo ana abudia bi yenhwe ni din Kotoko next game so betimi esi akan no betimi abo Kotoko in terms of home games bobo in the next 7 matches Kotoko bobo atia Dreams FC Kotoko ofie ahoden ne wo ho omo ni Dreams FC I believe Kumasi Asante Kotoko be for the 3 points
fanasi
e be sha ase fi Tamale City Tamale City against Kotoko Abude is one game I think Kumasi Asante Kotoko to win e wo fie Ombabo against Baby any Gold Stars ofie it is one game I believe Kumasi Asante Kotoko quick cry against Karela ejina 60-40 then what about the Dreams FC Kumasi Asante Kotoko quick it me heard these particular games are at worst whenever say Kotoko anya shekran at worst Kotoko will pick 10 points out of the 12 points on betimi abon wo fie nim and mama ho de susu gina pa then abudia bi yenhwe Kumasi Asante Kotoko wa we Kotoko ebe kwa Accra Great Olympics e wo so ga kope Olympics pe qualification aka league nim baby odam ano edin abu this is one game I don't see Kotoko winning Kotoko best kwa betima 1 point against Omuni Olympics no against Kotoku Royal so baby omodan I mean say relegation dey baby Kotoku dey nam dey Kotoku dey relegation dey ehwan you beto obo pa and adena Kotoko koye was Samatex and a new team so Mobile Premier League no Kotoko has a very good history against such teams here promote omo dey omaba okobe oba ko shene vala no dey aba so it's one game I tip Kotoko with 3 points then Accra Lions away is very difficult game I don't think Kotoko winning that particular game it's out of the 9 points no out of the 9 points in Kotoko enya Kotoko betime nya 4 which is Kotoku Royals and 3 then Accra Great Olympics 1 to the banner the beka 10 no Kotoko betime accumulate 14 points out of the last few games I'll be expecting in terms of 21 now but what's the idea be about Kotoko fixtures now teams now Mope League agm Kotoko ni omu nyina abo apart from Accra Lions
to omo ni omo aso omo demfi kakra omo we no
yes, it's Omone Sano. The only thing Kotoko will be very hopeful about yes, so only Omo tie points come head to head. Because Adriana Stars and the top league Kotoko na bo home and away. First leg goalless. Second leg Kotoko abeshe 2-1. Bechem United Kotoko shen 1-0 Baba Sports Stadium. Boko lose 2-0 away. No ma be hear me ma Kotoko shen 1-0 away. Obeshe 2 ha.
On a house so.
On a house ball 1-1.
House ball draw and house question.
It among teams in the company or pre-league, no. And I shall call on so Kroma say. It among teams on your pre-league, and there is better head to head than him. Adriana Stars.
About Mami Rama Mediama, I be san boa hono, but Shasi Mami Mediama chances.
What a bit difficult for now, but for the Accra Lions game, because that was a game I was expecting. Say if they had won that game, then almost a very good chance of competing with Ediana. Because Osha away from is not bad. I mean, conceding 18 goals and scoring 13, that's not a bad. It's not that bad. But the problem is that away they've won only 3 games. Game against Kingfisher 3-2, the opening game against Legon City 1-0, and then a game against Asante Kotoko, and now 5 drawn away games. If you want to win the league, you need to be winning more away matches than this. And then home, almost Shedan Shegu scored 16 goals and conceded 5. But home, Nanka some problem. The losses to Adriana, Kotoko, and Hasofo. And look, if Adriana Stars at home, the West will be a drawn game.
Yeah.
You don't, because if Midiama has drawn the 3 games on Muluzu or Homa, as we speak now, and Kamuni Adriana are the same points.
Yeah.
And so, Oma and Shah say they want to end well. I mean, picking 14 points out of 42 away really is not the best if you want to win the league. Part of the world. Now, Osha games now Akana. Look at how many dreams we home.
Also, Manemboa Hona Kakra.
How many dreams we home? How many dreams we home? And that one is 3 points. They will pick it.
How many dreams in number 5?
They will pick it. Problem in Swatreman.
I know so.
And no, difficult. Difficult also because in Swatreman, if they don't win that game, the game against Adriana will be trouble.
Oh, okay.
One person must survive it. In Swatreman must win that game. No for 3 points and 2 fridge no more. Because if Adriana and baby Adriana any brainer could do no, they will not be guaranteed a point from that game. There's all mujiwi. And so Mediama's best point and our result might be a draw. And don't forget that they've only lost to House of Oak so far. And Tomo home from solid. And Bechem Omoni Mediama Kotoko any Adriana and April. Bechem Ebeko Takwa. Trust me, Mediama be winning this argument. But House of Folk, Mediama be Accra against House of Folk. Depending on House of Folk, more matches are cano like Michael was saying. Point on be picky. Say do baby na enye hu clear say adene ejegu edu na be gidia. The competitiveness from House of Folk and the fight spirit will confirm. So they are here. And to no Mediama might pick a point, but the horn cry guaranteed. So Oma happy how they defended terribly. First 2 goals. I think I didn't how badly they defended against Accra. First 2 goals was so cheap to give out. If they don't play compactly, House of Folk ain't that bad. If you watch the game of boy, I think they should be talking to Dennis Costa because Clinton don't do any too, and he's been playing poorly since Chan Ebanya. He's been very poor. Almost weekly. Moshe Kwabrana anymore. A right back is doing far better than even him there. So a hono medium as how much in Ukraine is not straightforward that they will be able to pick that up on against Kingfisher at home. They will pick them. I have a home there. Osha teams actually has Adriana Kotoko. These teams intimate more. Then they'll go to Samatex. A hustle there. Betting. Very difficult for medium. Very difficult. They will also Samatex is here points in the power.
Yeah.
They will need a point badly. The best they can do will be a drawn game. The last game against Tamale City. But you see, that game no depend on maybe a Tamale City. Tamale City is clear, so maybe winning league now. Other than that, there are forces that can affect Mediama in that particular match. So baby a Tamale City, a war. Say that point no more here.
No me kali.
Forces be bomb. Oh, forces be bomb. Because interest.
Forces be. Huh? Forces be.
Oh, forces of the league.
League you know forces.
Yes, or forces.
League now.
Because interest or points or.
Positive. Forces see there with you.
Who's a mechanic that was in the team?
Mom ran across. So go ja.